Hi everyone, today I'm going to do my first unboxing video for my new Sony FEPC28135G lens. It was introduced on 2014 with maximum aperture f4, image stabilization, power zoom. When you put on a APS-C camera, the focal length will become 42 to 200 millimeters. So if I'm using a full film camera like the A7Riii I have, you are putting a 28 to 200 millimeters lens to your camera with the chopping function. And this is not the first version of the lens, and since it was introduced on 2014, you can see this 2018 version is made in China. Let's open it. It came with a lens carry bag, a stripe, and a little pin for the focusing. No, not for focusing, for the zoom. Let's see the lens body. Since this lens came with a lens hood, so it doesn't come with the lens cover. That's why Sony decided to give you a cup lid. Just pretend they have some protection. Look at the lens. It's huge. It's a little bit heavy, 1.2 kilogram compared to the 24/7 Gmaster, which is around 900 gram. This one with a 95 millimeters diameter. If you want to get any filters or even want to get a cover. And let's see the hood and some menu. And this is the hood cover. So let's take out the box first. So should be here. This is not a small lens. It's a little bit big and heavy. It's kind of noticeable when you take this out, I guess. But this is a cinema lens, I would say, and people say. I'm not sure. And why I decided to get this one instead of the Gmaster? Because my priority will be on filming or video for no matter what I'm doing. I'm not a professional, but I just get what I want. And you can compare this one with this is a Nikon 17 to 35 2.8, and you need an adapter. This is the Light version 6. Look, when you take off the hood, I probably will not use this one for most of the time. I will just take this one with me. So it's just a little bit bigger. Not little bit, but bigger. But if you want a long zoom like this guy is 70 to 200. You can see Can you see? Okay. Take out this one. So I think this one is okay. It's big and but still okay. And let's try to put on my camera. Not so bad, huh? Still can carry in most of the most of my camera bag. This one, I just need to take off the lens and put it in my bag separately. So maybe you still think this is so big. In terms of filming on the old time, let me show you another camera I have. One moment. This is my old EX1R camera. This one is 2.4 kilogram. This is 1.2 something, around less than 700 grams. So this is totally less than 2 kilograms. 400 grams less on the weight, but look at the size. You cannot detach this one, and this is much more easy to take out. I'm sure this one, even though a little bit noticeable, when you take it out, people will just think you get a big lens, a little bit big camera DSL, but this is definitely not working in any public area. You will get all the security guard come to you and say stop filming. I think that's it for today, and I'm happy with this one, and I may do more review after I try this. And thank you for watching. Bye.